Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Michael. Welcome back to IDB. In this video, I want to show you where I get all of my wallpapers from. So when it comes to customizing your iPhone, setting your own wallpaper is probably the first thing that most people look to. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you my 3 sources that I use when it comes to picking new wallpapers. Every single link that you'll want will be in the description down below. Let's go ahead and jump in right now. So the first source I want to show you is actually our own website. If you head over to idownloadblog.com, we have an entire section right here dedicated to wallpapers. If you click to expand the menu, you can see how many collections we have of all varying styles. I'd say my favorite collections are abstract and colorful. So if we just click on one collection here, I can show you a few. So if you click on read more on the certain article, you're able to see each wallpaper which is in this post, and you also have a button right here to download it. So what I like a lot about our website is just how many different styles of wallpapers we have. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of abstract ones here, but if you're looking for more of a themed wallpaper, we also have that. So if I go into maybe the fantasy collection, I believe we have some Star Wars wallpapers right here. And also for all of you hardcore Apple fans that look forward to the Apple event every year, we also have wallpapers for those. So if you click on Apple wallpapers right here, you can see that we have some Apple wallpapers that usually go along with the latest either product launch or the latest Apple event coming up. So whatever you're looking for in terms of wallpapers, you're probably going to find it on idownloadblog.com. So next up is an application called Backdrops. Now this is available for free on the App Store. I have talked about this app before on this channel, but just to reiterate, I love Backdrops because of the 2 tabs that you can use to explore wallpapers. So the Explore tab are wallpapers that are uploaded by the developer of the application, and they mainly follow a colorful abstract style, and you get a new wallpaper of the day every single weekday. So as you can see, all of these wallpapers are unique in their own style, but usually they are colorful, abstract wallpapers. If you go to the Community tab, this is where I really like Backdrops because these are images that are uploaded by the community. And as you can see here, there is an upload button. So if you want to share your own wallpapers, you can as well. And inside this tab, again, you're still going to find some abstract wallpapers, but my favorite part is you get some really nice photography as well. So take, for example, this wallpaper. This is a really nice shot of what looks like a subway station. And then we also have this of a cityscape at night. So when you're browsing the Community tab of Backdrops, I really like how you're going to get some really nice photography in here as well. So the final source I want to show you, this is again a free app on the App Store. This one is called Vellum. Now, I like Vellum for 2 reasons. The first one is the daily archive. So just like Backdrops, they have a daily wallpaper, but inside Vellum, if you pay for the premium version of the app, you get access to the previous 4 weeks of the daily wallpaper. So if we click in here, as you can see, all of these wallpapers were at one time the wallpaper of the day. And again, if you pay for the premium version of the application, you'll have access to this collection as well. There also are a bunch of other collections I like inside of Vellum, and they're always adding new collections as well. So this one, for example, is called Yacht Club, and it's inspired by summer with a lot of nice images. This looks really cool. Another one of my favorite collections is called Earth by Google. If I can find it right here, you can see it's a bunch of overhead shots of Earth, and these all look really cool and unique. Like, look at this. This is pretty sick. And also this one looks awesome. So I'd highly recommend downloading Vellum. As you can see here, every single collection has its own unique style, and you're easily going to find a wallpaper that will look good on your phone, no matter what style of wallpaper you like. So once again, every single place I mentioned in this video is going to be linked in the description down below. So if you want to head to idownloadblog.com and check out our collection of wallpapers, you can click the link below, and I'll also have a link to the App Store to where you can download both applications I mentioned in this video. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it interesting and helpful, please drop a like on it as it does help us out quite a bit. My name is Michael with IDB. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.